Show me how they work.
Okay. So you put this, and then you hold it down, and then it turns on. Mommy, it turns on. It's actually not out of batteries.
Okay, then show me how you put them on your face.
Okay. Like this. Then you look around to think which one you want to take a video of, or a Lego set to take a video of.
And what can you see? Can you see at night?
I need a light to see what's.
I remember looking in your room at night. It was completely black, and then I put those on, and I could see in the dark. Can you play with those at bedtime?
So yeah, so a little bit, and I played it. I did a lot a couple years ago at night.
A month ago.
Yeah, months ago, and what was it? A lot, and then it looks like I saw a battery nano low, and I saw that I was starting to one low.
You can take video with them too, can't you?
Yep.
But you need what? What do you need? What do you need Mommy to give you?
A card.
Show me where it goes.
Oh,
it goes right there, doesn't it?
Oh, right here. It goes right here.
What goes in that side?
Cool. So you have to put two in each side.
Can I see? And, oh, that's where you charge it. That's a USB to get...
This is where you charge it, and this is where you put the card in.
And then flip the other side. See the bottom. What's on the bottom?
Oh, on the bottom. The bottom
the
is
batteries.
where you put the batteries in.
Oh, okay. You didn't put that on right.
Oh.
Oh, we got rechargeable batteries in there. Cool.
I think I should put these all, put them all the way in.
Oops, what are we taking video of? There we go.
What do you want me to take a video of? I think I know.
Wait, so these are Nerf Nightvision binoculars.
Wow. I see that.
Say thank you.
Thank you.